Hello students, welcome to our first module of class 8 Geography, Resources and Development, Chapter 6, Human Resource. In this module, we will discuss about the distribution of world population. So let us begin. We have studied about different natural and man-made resources available on the earth. We also know that only humans can change the natural resources into valuable resources that are called man-made resources. Man can make better use of nature only when he has knowledge, skill, and technology. Thus, human beings are the greatest asset to the world. It is the people who use the natural resources of a country and produce goods and provide services to the people. The quality of a country's human resources is more important than their quantity. Quality of the people refers to their knowledge and skills, the level of technological development, and their efficiency to develop resources. It is not the population but the education, intelligence, working ability, technological development, intentions, and aspirations of the citizens that make a country wealthy and prosperous. Now let us discuss about the distribution of world population. We know that various natural resources are unevenly distributed on the earth. Similarly, human resources varies in number in different parts of the world. Some parts of the world are densely populated, some are moderately populated, and some are sparsely populated. On this basis, distribution of population, the world can be divided into three major parts: densely populated areas, moderately populated regions, sparsely populated regions. East and Southeast Asia, which include China, Japan, Korea, Philippines, India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh, are densely populated regions. Similarly, in West Europe, England, Netherlands, Belgium, France, Ukraine, and European Russia, the Great Lakes have high density of population. Eastern and Central North America, Canada are densely populated regions. Southern parts of Russia, Central America, Central China, South Africa, Argentina, Deccan Plateau of India are moderately populated areas. If we talk about low density of population is confined to the equatorial forest of the Amazon Basin in South America, the Congo Basin of Africa, hilly regions like the Himalayas, tropical deserts like the Thar, Kalahari, and Sahara, and regions around the poles. Thus, we see that Asia is the highest populated continent. The 10 most populous countries of the world account for 60% of the world's population. These countries are China, India, United States of America, Indonesia, Brazil, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Russia, Nigeria, and Japan. Now let us discuss about the density of population. It refers to the number of people living in a unit area of the Earth's surface. The average density of population of the world is around 50 persons per square kilometer. This was for the year 2015. While that of India is 382 persons per square kilometer according to the 2011 census. Population density of a place is calculated by dividing the number of persons living in that place by the area of the place. Therefore, density of population is expressed as person per square kilometer. For example, the area of Delhi is about 1483 square kilometers. According to 2011 census, the population density of Delhi is 11,320 persons per square kilometer, which was 9340, that is 9,340 persons per square kilometer in 2001. Now let us discuss about the factors affecting the distribution of population. There are many factors that affect the distribution of population, which can be classified as geographical factors, social factors, cultural factors, and economical factors. Geographical factors that affect the population distribution are topography, climate, soil, water, and minerals. Topography or relief. The distribution of population varies in the mountains, plateaus, and plains. Plains are preferred for habitation over mountains and plateaus as they are suitable for agriculture and manufacturing activities. They have a good network of transport and provide large-scale employment opportunities and better living conditions. The river plains are more densely populated in comparison to the mountainous regions of the Himalayas. The Andes and the Alps are sparsely populated. Another geographical factor is climate. Extreme hot, cold, dry, and wet regions of the world are not conducive for human settlement. Areas of equable climate support larger population. Places like the Sahara Desert, Antarctica, equatorial regions of South America and Africa, and the northern parts of Canada and Russia have very low density of population. Another factor is soil. Fertile soils favor the cultivation of crops. Some of the fertile plants of the world like the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin in India, the Nile Delta in Egypt, the Huanghe basin of China, the Mississippi-Missouri River basin of North America, and the great European plains are densely populated. Water. Population tends to concentrate around water bodies, especially the areas where fresh water is available. All the major river valleys of the world are the cradles of ancient civilization, while the desert regions are sparsely populated as they are devoid of fresh water. Minerals. The presence of minerals attracts people on a large scale. The presence of gold and diamonds in South Africa, crude oil in West Asia and gold in Australia has led people to settle down in these areas. Such areas provide more opportunities of employment. Now let us talk about some other factors like social factors. Areas where better civic amenities are available like education, health, housing and sanitation are more densely populated. For example, cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, etc. We talk about cultural factors. Places of cultural importance and religious places attract more people like Varanasi, Madurai, Jerusalem, Mecca and Vatican City are some examples. Economic factors. Areas which provide large-scale employment like the industrial regions have higher density of population. Mumbai, Pune in India and Osaka in Japan are some of the examples where we have high density of population. Let us rewind what we have learned today. Healthy, educated and motivated people develop resources as per their requirements. Pattern of population distribution refers to the way in which people are spread across the Earth's surface. The number of people living in a unit area of the Earth's surface is called population density. Let us see what you have grasped today. Here are some questions for you. Your question number 1 is, which one of the following is considered as the ultimate resource? And the options are A. Natural resource, B. Human resource, C. Power resource, or D. Mineral resource. And the correct answer is B. Human resource. Your next question is, which of the following country is the most populous in the world? And the options are A. Russia, B. China, C. Pakistan, or D. Australia. And the correct answer is B. China. Your third question is, which one of the following statement is correct? And the options are A. Population density is high in rural areas. Option B. Northern hemisphere is less populated. Option C. Capital is the major resource of the nation. Option D. People turn nature's bounty into resources with their skills. The correct answer is B. People turn nature's bounty into resources with their skills. It's practice time now, and here are some questions for you. Your question number 1 is, what do you mean by human resources? Your question number 2 is, define population density. Your question number 3 is, what are the different factors that affect the distribution of population? Explain. In our next module, we will discuss about population change and composition of population. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.